Okay, hop up in.
Jump on it. Jump on it.
Okay, let's hit this down before it gets dark. So, get in. Clutch pedal in. Clutch pedal is the farthest one on your left always. Push that in. Pull the shifter down. Okay, push it back up. Pull it down to the middle. Right there. Move it side to side. Okay, now you're in neutral. So that's your shift gate. So that's your shift gate. So with your foot in like that, if you're doing this, all the way over here and up is first. It's an H pattern. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're in first, second, up to the middle, over, third, down to fourth. And then if you want to go to rewind, you're in the middle. This is neutral, over and up. That's all it is. It's an H pattern right here. So all we need to make sure right now is that we're in neutral. So you just come down to the first drop. You don't want to be there. You want to be right here. When it goes back and forth, that's when you're in neutral, and now everything will roll easily. So now you can let off the clutch. Let off the clutch. Okay, perfect.
I'm choking on TikTok.
Okay. So all you're worried about is the middle pedal, is the clutch, or is the brake. That's it. So same as we did your dad's Tundra. I'm going to start pushing you off here. The momentum of this thing is going to get you back, and just don't stop until your front. Don't start. I know.
It's very wet.
Let the momentum let your front end get back to here and let you roll, and then you can get on. You start slowing down before it hits the shop. Got it? Okay, you ready? Don't turn the wheels. Your wheels are perfect. Keep going. Now. Beauty. Hell yeah.
TikToks are wild, man.
Great job, baby.
All right. So you're in neutral. Where does neutral sit on here?
Neutral is this line right here. That's your gate.
So you're over here in reverse, but in neutral?
So neutral is this center line going across. That's neutral. So when you want to start, you're going from left to right, the same as you read a book. So come all the way over. Bring it all the way over.
So now we're in one.
Now you're in first.
First, and then second.
Second.
Third.
Okay. Fourth. And then if you go all the way over
and up
is reverse.
That's when I'm going in reverse, yeah.
So all these you have to worry about is just here and back.
I recognize this, and I'm trying to figure out why.
Every car you've ever been in that's a standard is exactly this, or reverse comes down. See, my Volkswagen reverse was over here. So my first, second, third, fourth, and fifth were here, but they put reverse off here.
This might be a really stupid question, but tractors.
Same thing.
Okay, so that's why, because I've driven the tractors up. My mom and dad.
Ford made tractors. So the same transmission that's in here is basically what's in a tractor. Yeah, same thing.
So
first, second, third,
multiple tractors.
everything. My Volkswagen was the same as this, so the rewind wasn't this. I had 5 gears, so my Volkswagen was the same, and my reverse was over here.
Okay.
Yep. My Honda Civic was a 4-speed. They're all the same. Yeah. So that's all it is. So you can let off the clutch now. Your foot's hurting.
It's funny that I look at this and the first thing I think of is tractors.
Because it's kind of an old school tractor shift knob. I get it. I might leave this in here. I might make a new one. I don't know.
Also so when I worked for Elephant Thoughts, they taught me how to drive standard, and I learned really quick how to drive it. But then I never actually really
continued
on. I never had to.
Yeah.
So it's been a long time, but like my brain automatically goes to tractor, I guess, just because like
it looks like a tractor knob. It totally looks like a knob on an old tractor.
Messing around at my parents in the tractor. My dad showing me how to drive tractors.
Yep.
Very great Bruce of me.
Okay, well, she is home. She's hungry. She now understands that we now have a truck.
We now have a truck
because I'm tired of borrowing other people's trucks.
You're really good
and this is I'm really good at keeping secrets, unlike her who used to break into her mom's closet and open Christmas gifts and rewrap them and just ruin Christmas for the family.
Oh, no, Mom never knew until later on.
Yeah, still would ruin everybody's life. So we now have a truck. So I'm going to get the motor put into it, and we'll get all that stuff ready to go. So make sure you follow along. This will be probably its own little playlist of getting this thing all dialed in. It's pretty much ready. We just got to do a motor, which is easy. And
thanks for buying me a new truck.
You got to learn how to drive it first, baby girl.
I'm a quick learner.
I said we need a truck.
I'm a quick learner.
I said we need a truck. Mwah. Yes, it's going to be fun. It's going to be our nice little back road truck, surf rack in the back for our boards and paddle boards. It's just going to be nice to have an 8-foot bed to just throw shit in and go to the hardware and the dump. Yeah, so it's a Saskatchewan truck, which is great.
We have a parking permit from Black Horse Motor Inn in Sauble Beach, Ontario for life.
Okay, well, that's it for us. We're going to go in and make some dinner and get some shut-eye because I got to get the trailer back in the morning and then come back. And tomorrow is concrete day. So tomorrow is concrete day. It's going to be busy, so I need some sleep. We both need some sleep. So thank you, everybody, for watching. Go check out some more videos. Stay tuned for what's going to happen with the Ford truck, with the F100, and we'll see y'all in the next one.